Hello, this is Sarah Liz of Crafts by Sarah Liz, and this is the video tutorial for making an itty bitty bow headband. A lot of people have asked for the pattern, and I decided to make a video to show what I do. First, you will need an F-hook, 3.75 millimeters. I like to use Caron Simply Soft. You can use any kind of yarn you want. Just keep in mind that yarn and hook size will determine whether the bow is bigger or smaller. Scissors, a needle for weaving in ends, and this little guy here, this is the nylon bow headband. This is the headband part. I like to get a pair of tights, like so, and then I cut off a piece about 1.5 inches wide, and I will show you how I make the headband part of that. Okay, start with your yarn and your hook. What side does my yarn come from? There it is. And you will start by making a slip knot. Get your hook onto there, and you will chain 30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Now you will slip stitch back down your starting chain, starting with the second chain from the hook. Slip stitch in the second chain from the hook and continue all the way back down your chain. Now I've already completed a chain with a slip stitch all the way back down, so I'll go ahead and move to that. Once you've finished and finish that slip stitch into the final stitch back where you started from, you'll cut a tail approximately 6 to 8 inches. This will help you construct your bow. Now, you will take the right side. I like to put the ends on the left side. Take the right side, flip it through the middle here. We have one nice pretty bow here. Now take the left side, do the same, flip it over through the center, kind of play with it, get a good bow shape that you like. Once you have a good shape that you like, we need to tack it in place so that when we wrap it around the nylon headband, we don't have to worry about it coming apart on us. Okay, so flip that guy over. Taking your short end, which was your original slip knot, and take your needle. You are going to weave this through this one side of the bow on the back side, kind of on the little humps of your starting chain, to kind of hide what we're doing here. Okay. Once I have that through and it's almost to the bow, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tack through all 3 layers, just go straight through, all the way to the other side. Now we're tacking it in place so it doesn't come apart on us. Go through all 3 layers on the other side there. Good. Now we have our nice pretty bow shape. We don't have to worry about it coming apart. Now take your long end, stick it through your needle. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to draw it through the back and weave it through these little humps on the back. Okay. There. Now you should have 2 ends on the back side of your bow. The short end at the top, the long end on the bottom. Now we need to get this little guy onto the headband. Get your fabric here, your nylon tights or pantyhose. And the trick to this is very simple. You just pull on it and stretch it out, let it roll up on itself, almost like magic. Now you have your nice little nylon headband. Now, you're going to put your bow against your headband here, making sure that your short end is on the top, long end is on the bottom. You're going to take your needle onto your long end. I like to use a needle to help me wrap it around so I have something to grab onto. You're going to start going through the back. Make sure you catch the nylon headband, go around both the headband and the center of the bow. I like to wrap it around about 6 times. That was 2, this is 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now you can kind of play with it. Make sure it's still in your good happy bow positioning. There we go. Flip it back around. You still have your short end at the top. Your long end is at the bottom, but it's now shorter because you've wrapped it around the center of your bow. I like to do a double knot here to really secure it to the back. Make sure it doesn't come undone. And then I like to weave in the ends just a couple of times just to even secure it further so that there aren't any exposed ends that could come unraveled. That one going, and one more. Weave that through. Okay, once you have those woven through, grab your scissors, cut off those ends. And there you have your itty bitty bow headband. I will also be posting a picture tutorial on my blog, Crafts by Sarah Liz at blogspot.com. And you can go ahead and take a look. I would love your feedback, and I would love to see your itty bitty bow headbands in action. So tag me on Instagram at Crafts by Sarah Liz. And thank you so much. Have a great day.